So 2 minutes action is really wonderful medicine for your procrastination. Okay, not required to do completely. Just let me start. Just let me start. I want to improve my physical fitness. I want to go to the gym. I want to spend hours of time in the gym. Don't feel like that. Every day, at least I will go to the gym and see the board. Just to see the board, I will go to the gym. Create a system. Build a system. Going, see the gym and then coming back. Do you know? I will share with one experience for you people. Before starting these sessions, life skill sessions, what happened is, for the last 5 years, I didn't have the habit to come to the office. Okay, maybe occasionally I may come in the afternoon time, 3 months once, 2 months once. That's my schedule. What happened is, life skills I want to start morning time. Early at the beginning, I thought that at 6 o'clock, but at 6 o'clock for most of the people, it's not comfort. That's why 7 I started. Okay, at 6 I have to start like. What I did is, one day, first day, 6 o'clock I report to start. My job is, let me go to office, keep my right leg in the office, and then come back to house. This is the first step, first day. I thought, okay, my target is at what time I record to start? Morning at 6 o'clock batch I record to start. I'm preparing mentally. So day one, my job is just to go to the office and then come back. Very unfortunate. Day one at what time I came? 7:40 or 8 o'clock I came to the office. But my plan was 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Okay, well. Next what happened is, okay, perfect. Today I came to at 8 o'clock. Tomorrow, at least a bit early, I will come like that. Because what challenges are there, what about transport facility, all these things I'm checking. Then, next day, 7:40 only I came here. Wonderful. 20 minutes early, I came to the office. Third day, just I'm testing, that's it. I didn't do anything. Third day, very fortunate, 6:50 only I came to the office. Fourth day, almost around 6:30. Fifth day, very fortunate, at 5:50 I was there in the office. 5:50, I was there in the office that day. Okay. So just my target is, morning I have to go to the office and then come to the home. Don't do any activity in the office. Not required to do anything. Just habitize this first. Like, then I habitized. Then I started at 6 o'clock, but the people requested, sir, 6 too early. Like, then at 7, I started. So you are not required to do with the perfection. So compulsory 6 o'clock I should go to the office. Maybe sometimes may not. Okay, like that. So what you require to build a system. Okay, make it easy to start easy. I didn't feel that go to the office, take the session and then come back. First habitize, go to the office and then come back in the early morning. Go to the office and then come back early morning. That's about my schedule. Later, I thought about the class and so on. Automatically, the class got started. The same way, if you want to go to the gym and if you want to improve your physical fitness, first activity, what you require to do? Go there, see the board and then come back. Start that. Start that. Okay, just the smallest 2 minutes action is going to create a big momentum over a period of time. Your big success is not going to be happen with your big effort. Your big success is going to be happen with a small effort only. But repeatedly every day with consistency, that thing must be required.